In this video, we will learn how to check the status of your hard drive or hard disk to see whether it's working properly or not. So in order to do that, we're gonna click on this Windows icon and then search for CMD. Once you're here on the right side, click Run as Administrator. Okay, click on Yes if it asks you, and then you need to type this command. So it's WMIC space disk drive and space get status. Okay, once you hit that and then hit enter. So if the status says okay, that means your hard drive is working properly, and if you see any other message than that, that means your hard drive have some problem and you need to back up your data before it goes damage. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Please follow for more tips like this.